Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today we are testing my system sensor SpectrAlert Classic P241575 Strobe, and it's silenced. Also, if you have epilepsy or seizures, I suggest you do not watch this video. I will not be responsible for what happens to you. So, this is a brief warning. See you in the next video. Okay, so here we go. Got it set up. So now all we have to do is pull it. Thank you. Oh my god, I always put them over here. Alright. There we go. Oh my god, focus dude. There we go. Oh, there we go, that's better quality. So, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and comment. See you in the next video.